What's going on YouTube? MMA here, and today I'm going to be doing some MacBook troubleshooting. There is an issue where every time you turn it on, it beeps, and I'm going to be showing you the inside of this MacBook, as well as teaching you a little bit about the components inside. Let's get right into it. Alright, so here we go. So this is a 2011 MacBook, late edition, and this is what you need to open it up. I'll leave a link in the description to an Amazon so you can purchase this. It's kind of like a Phillips head, however it is very, very small, and this is what you need to open up all of these. I think before we do that, I'm just going to show you what the actual issue is. So turning it on, it's going to beep like that. We're just going to go ahead. We're just going to go ahead and turn it back off and get right into it. Okay, so you just open this up and you can see the components. So this is the hard drive. This is an optical drive, so for CDs. So this is like an older generation model. This right here is the battery, so the power source. This is the RAM. This is the motherboard that kind of connects all the components together electrically. And there is ports over here. May look a little scary, but trust me, once you break it down into their individual components, it's a very simple configuration. So this is the fan. And the issue when that beeping happens is actually the RAM. So you just pull these two clips to the side, pull this out, and pull them again. Pull this out. So I was suspecting it was the RAM, and even if it's not, these are 2 GB sticks of RAM. So I wanted to upgrade the computer a little bit, and that's why I bought this. These are 8 GB sticks. So if you're having this issue, what I want you to do is actually input these back into it. So you're going to reseat them, make sure that they are clean, make sure that the port is clean, make sure that these are clean. But I actually already reseated them and the same issue was happening. So what I did was that I put one of the sticks in the bottom port. It still happened. I put one of the sticks in the top port and it worked. So my theory is that the bottom port does not work, and I will show you that just now with these 2 sticks. I will only put one of them, and that is perfectly okay. The speed should not vary drastically, but you will have half the amount of RAM. So you're just going to push it in and click it down. Although I'm utilizing half the slots, I actually have 8 GB of RAM now instead of the 4 from these 2 sticks. And now before actually screwing everything back in, I would like to turn this around and turn it on, see if it functions. And it turns on perfectly, as you can see right here. So we're good to go. Just gonna close this up, turn it around, and screw everything back in. And there we go, we restored a MacBook. Now if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you guys want to learn a little bit about each of these components inside this MacBook, I would certainly go back and watch my PC parts explained in basketball terms video, where I explain a little bit about each of the parts. The only difference with a laptop is that it has a battery instead of the power supply, so it does not really retain the power. However, it still supplies power to the rest of the computer. And that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Comments down below. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in a later video. Peace.